Want to save and organize your favorite videos without sharing them with others? YouTube allows you to create private playlists so only you can see them. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and go to your channel. Next, navigate to the Playlist tab, where you'll find all your saved playlists. To create a new playlist, tap on New Playlist or the plus icon. Select the videos you want to add, then tap Next. Now enter a playlist name and, under Visibility, choose Private to ensure only you can access it. Once done, tap Create and your private playlist will be ready. If you want to add more videos later, simply find a video you like, tap the three-dot menu, select Save to Playlist, and choose your private playlist. You can also manage or delete videos by opening the playlist and tapping the Edit icon. Now you have a private playlist where you can save videos just for yourself. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.